I'm going to today I'm not going to do any hands-on. Today I'm going to show you all the responsibilities the next 2 months at least you are going to do. Okay,
Okay.
because you guys
Okay.
have already all the action items, all the things. So now the things you have to do in front of everyone. Okay,
Okay.
you have to
Okay.
lead. Okay.
So yes, Pranto sir. So I was trying to add few user story under the leisure section, like leisure fees feature. So here are few. You can check. You can just suggest me if it's I'm going right in right direction, so I can write down few more. So it was only for like let me open this one.
Oh, that's great.
Pranto sir.
Okay, so yeah, as an account manager, I should be able to filter my laser on basis of selected month objective. As an account manager, I want to create a filter on the monthly basis so that I can check all the expenditures that happened in the particular month and maintain the laser in the portal. Wow. So yeah, it's very in details. That's good. And dependencies, the user should have a valid email address. The user should be registered in the application. The user should be logged into the application. Acceptance criteria given, the account manager is on the home page. When I am logged into the portal and I am navigated to the account page of the TS4 Limited, and I click on the laser button, then a filter laser button should appear as a pop-up to filter the laser based on months. Okay, so mm, 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 mm. So and I click on the laser button. So if you click on the laser button, then a filter laser button should appear. So it just appear the filter button, but do you have to click there, or I mean,
Yes, yes,
is
right.
it?
We need, yeah, yes, I think, yeah, we should click on the filter laser button, right? Then only
Yeah.
we can
So
create the, and when we click on the filter button, it
mhm.
should be appear like on the month basis, on the yearly basis, like uh like we can filter the amount like okay 1,000 till 5,000, like we can subcategorize that what I was thinking.
Yep. Okay.
Okay, so
So yeah,
what?
bring those also so that
Okay.
it will be more specific,
Okay,
right?
okay, got it. Okay, okay, I will work on this. So I just wanted to check whether because
Mhm.
I missed the workshop and Kazi sir he taught me yesterday like how to add all these things, like how to create parent and child. I didn't know all these things. I missed all the workshop. So yep.
Got it.
So okay. So
Miss
I will work
Okay.
Amrita,
on it,
you
Pranto.
really did. You are a quick learner because I was having some challenge finding out what to write on the ledger thing, and I remember Pranto told us to go to the add ledger, and a icon will pop up, and there are already some existing functionalities there. And I was trying to understand how to first write the user story based on the existing functionalities. If you go to the staging finance portal, I can uh, show you what he meant.
Um, can you spell out that portal because I lost each and everything from my laptop? Can you spell out
Oh,
this?
just a second. That was, I have it here. Okay. That is staging dot finance ts for you dot us. Yeah, finance.
This
Yeah,
one?
yes. Now, yes. Here, if we go to add ledger on the right, yes, these are the existing functionality Pranto told us to work on, and I was not very clear, frankly. That's why
I
I am
Okay, I will
trying.
work on it actually. Somehow I didn't go through on this one because I lost each and everything, like I don't know, in my India trip, somehow my laptop it got like rebooted or something, so I have lost it everything.
No
So okay, I
worries,
will.
we'll work on this together. But he gave
Mm-hmm,
us some hints that we should
mm-hmm,
create user stories based on this existing functionalities like ledger relations, primary, secondary, enter
mm-hmm.
name, asset, liability, income, expense,
Got
enter
it.
account
Okay,
group. So we can work today later
sure,
and figure out things. But you did
sure,
excellent
sure.
on the user stories, and you're really uh, a fast learner.
Thank you, sir. Yes, Pranto sir, this was from my side, so you can start whatever you were thinking. Hello.
Ram, are you there?
Yeah, sorry, sorry, I'm on mute. Can you just say again?
No, no, that's totally okay. So, we were wondering, like, you can start whatever you wanted to,
Yeah. Okay.
like, teach
So
us.
yeah, you guys can, like, you guys have already the action items, and also I said like to bring some enhancements. So those are very important. For that you can go with some application like the QuickBook and some
Yes.
other application. Just search on the Google and you will get some of the application, the HR management or the finance management application. So from there you will get some enhancement that you can add there, and those will be very helpful for you. So that because by doing that you will be able to explore the others application, and you will be able to know how to bring the requirements from the other application. Because like if the same functionality, same feature is available already on other application and you know already, you can just easily get the UI from there. You can easily get the screenshot, get the all the requirements, all the things from there easily. But if something is unique, I mean, it comes on your brain that okay, this feature or this function can solve this business or these activities of this business. So for that you can just write by yourself. Okay. Though there will be no screenshot because it's unique and it's only on your brain, only on your head. So you can just bring the all the information there so that you can explain to the developers. Okay, this is how it works. And every time as a product owner, you will have to think always about the business. Business
Yeah.
means the project you are working on, and is this project is actually achieving something for that business. How like how many users will be able to use this, and how your team member will be able to work on there. I mean, you will have to think all the leadership things always. Okay.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay, so today is the plan. Today is plan that we have already like our boot camp is already started, so you guys already know. And like we have the marn uh, QA, then cloud ops, SQA and BB is now going together. So we are now uh, like we have already all the students and all the things is going on. So
Mhm,
what we're going to do, let me share my screen.
mhm. Let's stop sharing.
Let me share. Okay. Okay. So what we are going to do? We're going to actually